Sit. Good. Okay. Sit. Good. Okay. Sit. Good. Okay. Sit. Good. That's another thing that I've been doing every day, consecutive sits like that. I think I just did 4 in a row. You can do 6 if you want. Doing consecutive sits for a dog that was pulling a lot and out of control on the leash, it's very helpful because they get used to, that helps them with their anticipation. No, something behind us, of course, that he's distracted by. If he's got to sit, if he knows he's got to sit every foot or so, it breaks up that cycle of constantly pulling you all the time, and he knows that he's about to sit again. He has to wait, he has to focus, he has to be here in the moment to be allowed to walk again. Okay, just like that. Sit. Good. It's great for his sitting skills as well, and it's just another thing that we do to keep a dog from ever going back to pulling. And even if you just did a day 6 of these in a row or something like that in a different spot, different place on your street, different place in your backyard, whatever, he's going to keep getting better and better. Okay.